Attorneys who litigate for Donald Trump and for the government administration and push this anti-constitution rhetoric should lose their license. Now, this is what we need to do in order to heal this once we resolve this. Those attorneys who are actively working to uplift this administration have to lose their license. I'm tired of attorneys deciding to do unethical things, unconstitutional things, because they believe that their whole professional job description will protect them, when in fact their whole commitment as an attorney in the United States is to support the Constitution. So why are they actively destroying it? They need to be punished for what they are doing. They need to be punished for choosing themselves, for choosing wealth, for choosing power over the Constitution. We need to ensure that these attorneys never practice again once this is over. These attorneys need to be punished because they are avidly helping and consulting the government to encroach on constitutional liberties and to uplift human rights crime, civil rights crime, constitutional crime. And this is the thing, because as an international law scholar, I know that not everyone within a cult, within a dictatorship, will get justice, will get punished. And that's what they're betting on. They're betting on the fact that I was just a lawyer, I was just doing my job. I was just helping. I was just hired, What could I do, I'm Paul Wise, and if I don't bend the knee, then I'm gonna be destroyed, so I have to fuck you. Fuck you, attorneys who are helping this. Fuck you, because you should know better. You went to literally law school, alright? So you know. And that's the thing. The American Bar Association is so great at going after people who are practicing law without a license. Great. But they're terrible. They're terrible at checking their own attorneys who are malpracticing and doing unethical things with their license. They're terrible at that because there's a lot of leeway for lawyers to be terrible people. But when you go against the literal Constitution, that should mean that your license is revoked. The Trump attorneys should have their license revoked, and we need to push the American Bar Association to be much more proactive when it comes to cleaning house. Consulting for this government means that you're helping in its initiatives and its unconstitutional initiatives, and as such, you should lose your livelihood because of it. The ICE agents, once this is over, should be banned, should be unemployable, and the government should be unemployable in law enforcement because they themselves are militias. They themselves are SS officers. They themselves are Gestapo. So they need to never know peace in this country. They can go do a different job, but they who are kidnapping people off the streets, they need to get some sort of justice for the people who are being horrified, getting picked up just for writing an op-ed. They need to be checked. They need no peace. Both attorneys who are litigating this government and both the ICE agents, they need us to push for a collective remedy for the wrongdoings that they are doing within their professions.